the support system needed to handle more than 1 million alleged drug users and dealers who have surrendered to the authorities. Prisons like the Quezon City Jail overflow with the human harvest of Duterte's war. And outside the jails, the rehabilitation centers are at bursting point too.
Since the president's campaign on the war on drugs, a lot of them are, fearful. So they want to be rehabilitated at the same time. We need to interlink or connect with the barangay with that so that within the community, they can follow them up. They stay for 6 months and then upon discharge with the aftercare program.
In the poverty-blighted barangays of Metro Manila, it is down to dedicated individuals like Pastor Miguela to reach out to addicts. Like 35-year-old Marlon.
Ang ilaw sa sanglibutan. Sabihin ninyo, Panginoong Isus, salamat.
The side of the doctors, they will introduce about natural, physical. But in my side, I will talk about spiritual. What they don't know, I know. And what they don't give, I could give. What is lacking for them, I will supply.
In Duterte's Philippines, drug users like Marlon must rely on the power of prayer.
Ang nagustuhan ko po talaga yung pinalangin niya ako na sana malayo rin ako talaga sa ganyan nga sa drugs na nga. Tutulungan niya ako hanggat makan din talaga ako makarecover sa kumbagay sa putikan na. Iaaw niya talaga ako sa talagang siya talaga ipapakilala niya ako sa Panginoon daw talaga. Unang bis lang po talaga. Gawa ng sa lahat kasi ng kapitbahay namin dito, wala talaga. Para kung bagay sa basura lang kami rito, wala mo lang mga pansin.